What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Blockhash podcast channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Cardano and the UAE actually embracing the Cardano blockchain, a massive real-world use case for Cardano, stuff that we've been talking about for a long time, giving credence to the blockchain and to Cardano specifically. Now, how are they going to use it? We're going to talk about that in a bit more detail here. So I'm going to go through this article, give you my thoughts as always, and then we will move on to the chart real quickly to see some updates on ADA's price. All right. So going through the article, Cardano's real world adoption, UAE embraces the blockchain. So the United Arab Emirates, one of the richest countries in the world, has embraced Cardano to secure its criminal investigations. In a recent update shared by Chris O, the founder of the Cardano Ghost Fund DAO, UAE's decision to adopt Cardano represents the blockchain's massive real-world adoption. This is the post that Chris O put out. For any of you that want to go find that, that's on Twitter. X, I still call it Twitter. Always be Twitter to me. At the World Police Summit in Dubai, the Dubai Police submitted a Cardano-based pilot project holding data management capabilities. The project analyzed the secure sharing of sensitive data related to criminal investigations with authorities such as Interpol. The presentation of the Cardano integrated project highlighted the high level of security involved in sharing the scans of bullets and concrete obtained through an advanced scanner using the blockchain. Significant forensic information was distributed safely among international stakeholders worldwide. According to Chris's post, Cardano's data management and its capability to share data without being tampered with makes it the ultimate choice of the Dubai police, Chris wrote on X, specifically stating, the blockchain ensures the data is not tampered with and can be tracked among various stakeholders. This is an ideal use case for Cardano and blockchain ensuring data can be securely shared and managed in a decentralized network is becoming more and more relevant in industries from energy, defense to IoT. March 7th, Omar Shans, the president of Skypath Security, took to X to share highlights on the Dubai police's adoption of Cardano's blockchain, stating, today the Dubai police presented at the World Police Summit in Dubai an exciting blockchain-based pilot project. The UAE's adoption of Cardano illustrates the advanced use cases of blockchain technology, which secures transparent data management in a decentralized network. Last year, the National Crime Agency, the NCA of the United Kingdom, announced its interest in hiring 2 blockchain investigators to tackle crypto crimes, collaborating with the complex financial crime team, CFTC. So this stuff is starting to really pick up and get some legs underneath it, which is great. And what happens in very wealthy countries like this from a tech standpoint will likely also transfer over through osmosis to other countries. They're looking for types of solutions like this, where they have even bigger problems. Like you look at criminal investigations and crime and evidence tampering in the UAE, do they really have a massive problem with this? Probably not when they're one of the richest in the world. They probably have great security and everything's probably clean and, kept the way it should be. But in other countries where they don't have that capital or those resources, these are very important tools. So they will be looking to the UAE to see how this kind of stuff works. And then this creates a tremendous uplift effect, not just for Cardano specifically, but for blockchain generally, because people will want to test other chains and other chains will be marketing this kind of stuff. So congrats to Cardano for putting this together and working with the UAE and actually having a real world use case that people can watch and verify in real time. That's what we've been waiting for. Like being able to use blockchain for fucking something in the world other than NFTs and meme coins and ordinals. Like, why can't we have real world use cases where we solve problems with blockchain? It's about time. I've been saying this forever. But that's what I have to say about that. So let's move over to the trading view tab and share with you a little bit the Cardano price. I did a video on this about a week ago. right now, Cardano's in a very good spot on the weekly. We move into the daily, give you a little bit more price action. We're in this funnel still. I kind of figured we would be. We kind of back tested a little bit on some shorter time frames and hit the moving average on the Bollinger Band. Looks like Cardano's trying to push slightly to the top of this again. So maybe we'll hit the top of this funnel relatively soon, which would be great because we'll be breaching very close to 90 cents. There's no massive right or wrong ceiling here. There's kind of one around 76 cents that was a former floor. We want to turn that into a floor once again. So we don't want this to be a ceiling. It looks like it's a little bit of a ceiling right now. So if we can clear 76 cents, there's not a whole lot stopping Cardano. Maybe 90 cents, maybe 99 or 98 cents, but the true value will be close to $1.20, $1.25. So Cardano can clear those hurdles and stay within this funnel. We'll likely get to that point. Worst case, we'll get to that point by this fall. So I think Cardano will get there a lot sooner. My short-term prediction is Cardano will get to $1.20, $1.25, maybe by summer. That's my guess. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Obviously, we're at the very beginning of a bull market here. Bitcoin is through its all-time high in price discovery mode. And the rest of the altcoin market is just starting to catch up to what has been quite a lagging event the past year as Bitcoin has slowly gained value. So altcoins need to reestablish their medians. Like Cardano, you could see it spent a lot of time in the $1.30 range. Okay. So how do we get Cardano back to this range and make this the new standard for Cardano? That'll take time. All right. Got to get over $1. Probably going to sit below $1.50. If you go back to 2021, you can probably eyeball some areas of resistance that were really big. Getting over the $1.50 hurdle was really hard, but once it did, it exploded. So we'll get to $1.20 most likely. $1.25. We'll have a range that we have to play with, and then from there, Cardano will make upward moves and decisions. Real quickly, I'll show you the RSI just so you can see what the strength looks like right now. It's a little overbought, pulled back a little bit, but I don't think this is really much of an indicator. It's channeling right now. It's channeling its inner beast to go form a beast mode candle. I don't know why the fuck I said that. A big green god candle, as the industry likes to say. Looking at the MACD, we're in a healthy channel upwards as well. Bouncing off almost twice now on the moving average there on the MACD, staying well above the volume range. So very bullish. Things are looking good for Cardano. Very, very good. Coming out of this slump in the bear market, Cardano is primed, like really primed. This was a long bear market for Cardano. If you count bottom 2018 until 2020 sometime, and then we started to have some moves, and then we had a real move. But we're just closing in on a 2-year gap where we could say maybe this was the bottom, May 2022, and maybe it's definitely got to be over here around December 2023. Cardano's looking good. That's all you need to know for now. Those are my thoughts. $1.2025 in the short term. Long term, let's just see where it goes. I think it'll get to like $5 or so probably, but I'm not going to put it out there officially. I'm just going to see what happens. It's very early. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you so much. You guys are the best. See you on the next video. Cheers.